So this is the alley by Vikings. This is an interesting concept because what they did was that you get your usual Vikings buffet, and what they did was that they turned them into beautiful, beautiful stalls. So it's you pay once, and you can eat everything and drink as much as you can. So you start out with this. You start out with a bracelet, which they give you. You can take it back, Luis. Thank you. And you can just go anywhere and get as much as you want. So kagaya nito, you have balut and penoy. You have people like that going around. But the first thing is Nords. You see this everywhere also. They have cheesecake, they have coffee. And then on the other side is Kegs. Kegs is their bar, margaritas, beer, and their non-alcoholic stuff like agua fresca and iced tea. Oh, bicycle. Okay. So it's massive. It's absolutely massive. We've got a lot of stuff. So on the right side, Hao Chi is their roast Chinese restaurant. So noodles, mami, dim sum, roast chicken, Hainanese chicken, honeycomb coming up. It's our dessert place. Candy, what else? Candy, ice cream, pearls and stuff. Antipasta Boulevard is their, well, appetizers. So salads, cold cuts, platters, frittatas. We're going towards the back. So stuff like this is cool. They have dirty ice cream. They've got the Ferino's bibingka and puto bumbong. At the back is their Japanese restaurant. On one side are sushi and sashimi. On the right side are the donburi stuff. Then we'll go back to the main place. There's a sort of plaza in the middle. That's their front office. Hi guys. Okay, cool thing in the plaza, you have these people. Buono is an Italian place, but what they do is they specialize in roast stuff.
I would love that.
Roast beef. And on the other side is your pizza. This is for pasta, for pizza. You can get pasta in a cheese wheel, calzone, lasagna, and other pastas. It's a massive place. And then you have, I'd like to call it an Asian alley because everything here is basically Asian. So frit and bok choy, Ilonggo specialty, sisig, well, sisig's from Pampanga, sorry, but you have your dinakdakan, bulaklak, chichon bulaklak, bagnet, Ocean 11, our seafood, fish and chips, Lasak is Filipino home cooking. Adobong puso, caldereta, kalyos, coffees. Steak a minute. Everything you'd want on a sizzling plate. So Salisbury, pork tenderloin, chicken chimichurri. Hello. Lost and Found is their diner food. So wings, nachos, quesadillas, and they serve a nice slider. Lastly, we have street walk. This is bagoong rice, rendang, pad thai, sambal, and curries. So guys, that is the alley. Costs almost as much as newer Vikings, but I love the selections. I love the way they presented it. Worth a visit, man. So if you like this video, please subscribe. The alley is in BGC Central.